Hello, my name is Paul-Andrei Ferariu, and I will be demonstrating my website for the further assignment of the Advanced Topics in Software Engineering module. As you can see, this is my website, which is a very crude prototype that mainly focuses on implementing the seed selection and the scattered seed prevention algorithm mentioned in the assignment. This is the home screen, which is the default page of the website. We have an account that allows the user to log in or register. Sadly, there is no functionality for this account component at the moment. And if we go to films, which is the main functionality of the code, we can see that there are three films available to book for viewing at different times and dates with different prices per seat. In the future versions of the website, a more polished version of this will be developed by using a carousel, images, as well as real titles and real prices. As you can see, each of the films is shown in a different screening theater. All of them have different layouts, and for example, if we go to the first film, you can see the details of the film such as date and time here. The selected show time will later be used as an ID in the storage, in the SQL storage. And in the setting selection part of the file, we can see different elements. The first one for the screen selection is a layout of the screen, the seats along with the screen, and a legend for the seat. The user can select the number of seats they want to book from this button, this element here, while the selected seats and their price will be shown here. In terms of the algorithm to prevent single scattered seats, I chose to follow the following method. If a row of seats is empty, the user can select any of the seats on that row. Otherwise, if a row of seats is unavailable / booked for another customer, for another user, the user can select only a seat adjacent to the booked one, the already booked one. Since the website at this moment in time does not have a storage capability for different bookings or different users, I simulated that by choosing 10 random seats in the seat selection that will be marked as unavailable, thus simulating different bookings made by different users. I'll refresh the page in hopes I will get an empty row of seats Yep, this is perfect. So I will exemplify my algorithm. Since the B seat is an empty row, the user can select any of the seats in the row. As you can see here, since the number of seats is 1, for some reason there's a visual bug and it's not displayed here, the user can only select 1 seat. Cannot select 2, otherwise an alert is popping up. If this is changed to 3, the user can select 3 seats in total. And if we try to select a seat on a row that is not empty, that has an unavailable seat, for example the A row, if I click on A1, we'll get this alert: the seat is unavailable, please choose a different seat, because the seat is not adjacent to an already occupied seat. If I try to click on the A5 or A7, which are adjacent to the occupied seat, the website will allow me. And now, since I want to book 3 seats, the algorithm will mark the selected seats as an unavailable seat. Thus, again, you can only select the seat adjacent to it. So again, if I select A1, I'll get the alert, but if I select A4, I'll be able to select the seat. After the seat selection has been done, the user can select his seats booking here. Can also clear the seats and select new ones, for example this and this, which was described in the assignment brief for allowing groups to be split up to prevent scattered seats, and then the total price is shown in this section, and the user can proceed to checkout. This is the checkout page. Again, the main focus of the prototype was the seat selection and the algorithm, which took the longest time to develop. The Pay Now button just shows an alert that the payment was successful. In the future versions of the project, I'm planning on using a third-party app called Authentication that will handle both the registration to an account as well as the payment system. This was my demonstration for the assignment 3.